Hi there, today we're checking out the VIVSOL Desk Organizer, designed to save space and keep your workspace tidy. This organizer features a large vertical file holder, sliding drawers, and a movable pen holder for versatile storage. Made from high-quality metal mesh with a durable high-temperature baking paint finish, it resists deformation and lasts long. Assembly is quick and simple, requiring just a few minutes and basic screw fixing. The sleek design helps you declutter your desk and organize office supplies efficiently. With this organizer, you'll enjoy a cleaner, more productive work environment every day. Say goodbye to messy desks and hello to organized success. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.